Oh, hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the tutorial of the greatest TV show of all time's theme song. You guessed it, Bluey. Let's go. Yeah! However it goes. You know the tune. Super catchy, super cool, happy, playful tune from everybody's favorite puppy dog. Like I said, the greatest show of all time. I don't know why I wanted to make the Bluey theme song. It just felt right. So I just followed my heart and went for it. Let's build this thing, shall we? Start from scratch, go to restart, got a blank canvas. We're gonna go to settings. We're gonna change one thing. I'm gonna start on high C. Nope, we're gonna start on high E. What? I never usually change the key out of C. I like to keep everything C and build around that, but in this particular song, it'd be a lot easier to just change the key to E. If that means anything to you, if it doesn't, who cares? Start on high E, that's all you gotta change. Press the blue button and you're ready to rock. Doesn't look different, but that's okay. It's gonna look different here in a little bit. We're gonna build it from the bottom up. We're gonna start with the tempo, change the tempo to 175. If you can't get there, you might have to double click on the number. Type 175 and press enter. It's a little hack for you. Now our tempo's set to 175. We'll leave the sounds alone for right now. We'll come back to that in a little bit. Let's put in some drums. I want to put in circle, skip, triangle, skip, circle, skip, triangle, skip. Boom. Now this gray bar, I want to have it a little different. Let's hear it. Yeah, we're not going to do that all the time. That'll get kind of boring. I'm going to switch it up a little bit in this bar by starting at the same. Boom, bop. And after that triangle, no skip, you're going to do circle, then skip, then circle, triangle, skip. Ooh, ah, ooh, ooh, ah. So let's hear that in contrast to the first rhythm. Super cool, super upbeat, cool little drum groove. We're going to repeat that for these next two bars. So that white bar is the same as that white bar. This gray you're going to make look the same as well. But I want to add extra bass drum at the very end on this last circle to kind of bring it back around to the top. You'll hear it. Let's hear this. That kind of turns the beat around to start it over. Drums are ready to go. We're ready to put in some notes. This is pretty easy string of notes to put in. We're going to start with this blue right here. And we're going to bring it down a staircase like that without skipping one. So we got this blue, this shade of green, yellow, and this kind of orange. Then skip one after that. Hit this pink down here. Skip one after that. Hit that kind of orange right there. And check your spacing, make sure all that's good. This orange should be right at the end of that white bar and into the beginning of the gray bar. Let's hear it. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, let's put in that gray bar. We're gonna skip two in the very beginning and start with the yellow. Not right there, but right there. Yep. After that yellow, we're gonna put this orange, skip one, and then this pink. Skip one, and that should be the end of the gray bar. Again, we start with two skips. This yellow, skip, this dark orange, skip, this kind of pink, and skip. Let's hear it. That's the first half. Very cool. And you know how it goes. It repeats itself. So at the beginning of that white bar, we're going to repeat that same little staircase down the scale right there. We're going to skip one, do the pink, skip one, do this orange again. And that is the exact same as that white bar. So basically, if you could copy and paste, it'd be easier. But you just got to copy that pattern again on the white bar. They've not added that feature yet. Whatever, we got one more note to put in. Skip two in the beginning, just put a yellow right there, just as we did in the beginning of that gray. But no notes after that. Once you put that yellow in, you're done with the gray bar, and therefore done with the whole song. Let's hear it. Yeah. I like the marimba, personally. When you hear it in the show, it's played on like what it's called like a melodica, which is like a little keyboard thing you blow in, almost sounding like an accordion, almost. So you could go with like woodwind, might be similar. I think that's what I had it originally set on. I don't really like that as much. Synth sounds cool. That sounds nice. I like the marimba. I always like the marimba. It seems like no matter what song I do, marimba always sounds the cleanest. Sometimes the other stuff gets muddy when you start putting too many notes in, but this is a simple melody. Let's hear it again with marimba. Yeah, I like that one. Experiment with the drums too if you want. You can take, I would leave all the triangles on. You can take all the bass drums out and put any bass drum pattern you want. What if I did this? Added an extra triangle right there just for fun. Check it out. That's pretty cool too. Experiment with the drums if you want. Those are just some kind of basic starter patterns for you to get going with. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. This has been the conclusion of, like I said, the greatest TV show ever made of all time. From everybody's favorite little puppy dog, Bluey. Yeah, that's right. Thank you for your hot requests. Keep them coming, y'all. Keep on making music. Let me know what y'all want to hear. And as always, thank you for support. Hit that like and subscribe button. You know the drill. If you haven't already, like I said, thank you for the support. Peace and love. We'll see you next time. Take care.